And when we come back, we're going to tell you where you can get free dental care tomorrow.
You're watching KARK4 News at 5 with Jancy Sheets, Melissa Seamus, and meteorologist Brett Cummins.
A free dental clinic is going on in Jacksonville this weekend. Free dental screenings are being sponsored by the Jacksonville Chamber of Commerce. Checkups and emergency dental work were done today from 9 until 4. If you didn't make it today, the clinic is also open tomorrow from 9 until noon at the Jacksonville Community Center.
16 News at 5:30 starts now.
Abscessed and throbbing wisdom teeth just sounds painful hearing it, doesn't it? Well, doctors saw it all during a free dental health fair at the Jacksonville Community Center.
And the people who showed up today are either uninsured or underinsured is what I'm trying to say, but they usually have different types of insurance problems. And dentists tell Fox 16's Latricia Woodruff, without this service, many people would still be in pain as we speak.
I have a tooth broke off down in my gum that I need out.
Something that's caused Martha Thompson pain for years, but without insurance, she couldn't afford to see a dentist. Now, thanks to this free dental health fair at the Jacksonville Community Center, her pain is about to end. She learns more.
We've actually got two teeth back here in the back. They're both broken off the gum line. Do we go ahead and get both of those? We're going under. Okay.
X-rays point out the source of problems for a lot of people. Many are getting free dental procedures that normally cost a few $100s.
We don't have that type of income to pay to get it taken out, so it's pretty good.
According to dentists, many people are unhealthy because they don't have good dental health.
Periodontal disease or gum disease is correlated to heart disease. We're finding out more and more that gum disease can cause some birth problems as well.
Just a few hours into this dental health fair, they've already provided services to several hundred people, and they're expecting even more tomorrow. Thompson is glad she came out. She's looking forward to living pain-free.
I think it's a great opportunity. I think it's real good.
And the dentists here are more than happy to help out.
Very good.
In Jacksonville, Latricia Woodruff, Fox 16 News.
Well, the dental health fair continues tomorrow from 9 a.m. until noon at the Jacksonville Community Center, and anyone with dental problems is welcomed.
Those are always big events.
Yeah, it's a nice thing that they do.
Sure.
No insurance, no problem.
Coming up, find out how to get free dental care tomorrow.
Now, the difference in news and information on the air and on the web. This is today's THV at 6.
The economy is making it difficult for a lot of people to afford insurance, particularly dental insurance.
But there is help available for free. Details coming up after weather. Still to come on today's THV at 6, how to get free dental care. Well, they aren't the only heroes we found today. The Jacksonville Chamber of Commerce teamed up with several other groups today to host a free dental clinic at the Jacksonville Community Center. A number of people showed up for free evaluations and some emergency procedures like tooth extractions. The clinic will be held again tomorrow from 9 until noon if you need help. THV's Faith Abube will be there live as we debut our new show, today's THV This Morning, Saturday. This is today's THV This Morning, Saturday, with Meredith Mitchell, Pam Bacom, and Mark Edwards.
Well, today is the final day to take advantage of a free dental and health fair. It's at the Jacksonville Community Center from 9 to noon today, and that's where we find THV's Faith Abube. And Faith, it's going to be a very busy day, isn't it?
Exactly. It's going to be very busy. If yesterday was any indication, we are on the second day of the health fair. The doors don't open for another 2 hours, but that's not stopping people from already lining up outside. Some people I talked to have been here since 3 o'clock this morning. Inside, we're here in the ballroom where this is going to be their first stop once the doors open around 9 o'clock. We have with us one of the organizers. Her name is Amy Madison. She's with the Chamber of Commerce. She's here to give us some background on this. How did this start?
It started with Dr. Jordan Cooper, who wanted to bring it home to his community and bring awareness about oral health and how to better educate one about oral health.
How is the Chamber of Commerce getting involved in this? What's the role of the Chamber of Commerce in this?
Dr. Jordan is one of our board of directors, and he came to the board and said, hey, I want to do this, and they said, go for it. So he did, and that's where we are today.
What are some of the things that people should expect if they're coming here today?
They should expect, patience. It'll be a little while. You have to have your blood pressure. We only have so many cuffs. Then you go to the next station, which is the screenings, and you can see from behind me how many tables there are. That's how many stations they are before they get to see the dentist, and then they'll decide, do I need an extraction or do I not? And that's where they'll come to the next station before they go into the next room.
So you actually have some time to talk to the doctors and get some consultation?
Yes, ma'am. They will be, they do not need extractions, and they'll get a oral health education plan, how to brush properly, how to floss, how to take care of your teeth, and be some preventative education.
Okay. Are we targeting a certain group in particular?
We're targeting, if you have insurance, come on out. We've got to take, there's a section on the forms to fill out. If not, we've had all ages, so anybody's welcome. Everybody's welcome.
Okay, once again, guys, we're going to be here. The doors open around 9 o'clock. They'll be here until noon. We're going to go talk to some more people, some of the people standing outside, talk to them about what they need, and we'll hit you back again later this morning.
There's a free health and dental clinic. It's going on all day in Jacksonville. It starts a bit later this morning, but THE's Faith Abube is there, and we'll have a live report coming up at 6:36.
Yeah. Jacksonville is the place to be if you need some dental work or maybe a health checkup. Well, there's a free clinic at the Jacksonville Community Center from 9 to noon, and that's where we find THV's Faith Abube. Faith?
Hi, Pam. This is an absolutely free event. We're going to have about 4 to 6 doctors here all day. The doors open around 9 o'clock, and we'll be here until noon. Yesterday, people had their teeth extracted. There are people also on site to give you consultations, oral health education, and also information on insurance. There was a really good turnout yesterday. The organizers tell me there were about 116 people who showed up yesterday for dental work. Some of them are already lining up here today, and with us, we have Kyle Williams, and he said he's been having some problems with his teeth. Can you tell us a bit about that? Go ahead.
I have an abscess, and I cannot describe the pain. It feels like a needle has just been going into my mouth. I couldn't get no sleep last night. It's like I do not know what to say right now.
Okay. All right, we have doctors here who are going to consult with him and see what he needs, whether or not he needs to have his teeth pulled. We also have here with us Michael Patrick, and he said he doesn't have insurance, and you've had some teeth problems as well?
Yes, ma'am. Over the time, my teeth have been decaying from lack of being able to go to the dentist and be able to afford insurance and be able to actually go to a dentist that will not have to have insurance to go to them.
All right, so we have people like Kyle and Michael who are going to get some help today. We're going to be around a little longer. We're going to talk to some people, and we'll get back to you.
Well, lots of people are getting a brighter smile in Jacksonville today. It's a free health and dental clinic at the community center. And we've been checking in with THV's Faith Abube there all morning. And Faith, it looks like it'll be a very busy morning this day, and I see a lot of people definitely need the help.
Yeah, definitely. We've had more than 100 people since yesterday who've come in for free dental work. This is a free community project between the Central Arkansas Dental Association and also the Jacksonville Chamber of Commerce. We have with us Dr. Jordan Cooper with the Dental Associates, and he actually says there's a real need for dental care, dental work, oral health here in Arkansas.
Definitely, Faith. We have two issues here in Arkansas. One, there's not a real abundance of dentists. There's several counties in Arkansas that don't even have a dentist. And secondly, there's a lot of uninsured Arkansans that just don't have any dental insurance, so they don't have means to get in and see a dentist.
And you said there's a correlation between oral health and your overall health.
There is. There's a lot of research that says that gum disease is correlated to heart disease, and also difficulty with birth problems and things like that.
So what are you seeing here so far? You've had over 100 people who've come in.
We've been able to take a lot of people out of pain. You have a lot of people come in with an abscess tooth or a gum infection or something like that, and they come in and we can take that tooth out and take care of their problem, and they can leave here and be out of pain in the future.
And affordability is also part of the issue. People aren't able to get health insurance.
That's right. It's difficult to get health insurance. Adult Medicaid in Arkansas doesn't cover a whole lot of adults here, and so we really would look forward to that plan being expanded in the future.
And what are some of the things you hope to accomplish when this is over today?
Faith, we're just hoping to help out and get some people out of pain that have been dealing with problems that they just don't have the means to get in and take care of in the dental office. Also, we like to educate people and say, okay, well, we fixed this problem here, but you need to have this also taken care of over here.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Cooper. So once again, they're here between 9 and 12. Doors open around 9 o'clock. This is completely free. If you need consultation, extractions, anything, you just come in here. This is free. This is the Jacksonville Jacksonville Community Center. Back to you guys.
Okay, thank you very much, Faith. And like you heard, this is a free health and dental clinic at the Jacksonville Community Center. The doors open at 9 and close at noon, and you can call the number on your screen for more information. Well, lots of people are getting a brighter smile in Jacksonville today. It's a free health and dental clinic at the community center, and we've been checking in with THV's Faith Abube there, who has been there all morning. And Faith, it looks like it'll be a busy day, and a lot of people need it.
Exactly. As we inch closer to the 9 o'clock hour, more and more people are arriving. You can see behind me there's already a line forming. I've spoken to some of these people, and they said they've been waiting for something like this, a free health fair like this, for a while. We have with us Licia Green and Wanda Ross from the line. They've been waiting here for quite a while, and you said you've had some problems with your teeth?
Yes, I have. I've had many problems, like I have a partial and it comes out when I chew. Sometimes I bite on it, and there's no dental coverage here. There hasn't been dental coverage for quite some time, so I didn't mind getting up at 4 or 5 o'clock to come out, and I'm so grateful for the program.
And what kind of work do you need done now, Wanda Ross?
I need my cavity. I got cavities on each side, and I got a teeth is really bothering me a little bit, but I need that done. You know, Medicaid don't do a lot, but you know, I want that done, and that's why I'm out here this early in the morning to take care of this, and that's about it. Hey.
How important has dental care or oral care been to you?
It's been very important because I have medical conditions. I have a heart and sickle cell, and I get the red, white, and blue original card, but it doesn't cover nothing to do with your teeth. And the Medicaid that follows behind it, it doesn't cover once you're over 21. So we just keep going, and we're so grateful the program is here.
And you're excited that this is free?
Oh, yes. I'm very excited because I'm a diabetic, and I have to have my teeth right before I get infected in my mouth. So that's why I want to get this done, too. Get it straight.
All right, thank you guys. So we're going to be here for a little longer. We have about 4 to 6 dentists that will be on site giving extractions and consultations and other things people are going to need. This is open between 9 and 12 at the Jacksonville Community Center, and they're doing examinations that cost more than $200. This is completely free. You don't need any prerequisite or anything to get here. And so if you need anything, just get out here. Back to you guys.
Patients line up early for a free dental clinic in Jacksonville.
Now, all of your news and weather in the first 11 minutes. This is 11 on 11. The THV 10 o'clock difference.
200 Arkansans now have brighter smiles after a free community dental fair in Jacksonville this morning. THV's Faith Abube was up early with them and has the story.
A chilly April morning finds Little Rock's Licia Green and dozens of Arkansans standing in front of Jacksonville's Community Center. Green is here for the free dental care.
I was born with sickle cell and a heart condition, and that affects my gums, so I've lost my teeth, and I have a partial, which I've had ever since I was a teenager, and my teeth, the 2 that were holding the partial, are now decayed and rotten.
Well, I got a cavity in my jaw right back here, and then I got 2 cavities right up in here, and I don't want to get out of hand.
Both days of the 3rd annual dental fair attracted about 200 Arkansans, many in serious need of dental help.
We're targeting people, primarily people in pain, but also people who just need some direction regarding their oral health. This is an opportunity for them to get headed in the right direction.
Arkansas has a shortage of dentists. We don't have a dental school in Arkansas, and we do have a lot of uninsured people, so it makes it difficult for a lot of people to find access to care.
Dr. Jordan Cooper says the project is his way of helping and educating patients.
Just more and more we're finding out that an infection anywhere in the body, in a tooth, in your toe, it doesn't matter, is going to affect your overall health.
I really need the service, and I appreciate the free program.
And with each person who walks out of here feeling a lot better about their smile, the dental volunteers say it reinforces the work they still need to do to help Arkansans still waiting for help. In Jacksonville, Faith Abube, today's THV.
Doctors performed fillings and other dental procedures, including several extractions to relieve patients' pain.